Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Ma'am, the first chapter is small, right? So
Yes,
can we
beta.
do first and second chapter just a short revisions today? Or we
Okay,
have
firstly,
do we have trigonometry today or first and second chapter
today I
revision?
will explain just first chapter, okay?
Because
But
first
we will
is small,
continue
we can do
to,
second.
yes, beta. But we will continue this trigonometry again, okay?
When, ma'am?
After this, your first chapter, beta. Or may I continue first only that trigonometry only today also?
Ma'am, can we do
You
first
can.
second instead of first one, then second chapter?
Yes, ma'am, we
Pranay,
can
you
do
want
second.
second chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am, we can do second.
Okay.
Rather than first.
Because in first chapter, nothing is there. Only you have to prove that root 3 is an irrational number, right? And LCM and product is there. Product of two number is equal to product of LCM and LCM. These type of questions are there.
Yes, ma'am. So we can do second, can we?
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, we can
Okay,
directly
then
head for
today we
the
will revise
next level question.
polynomials. Okay.
And can we directly head for the hard questions?
What, Abhinav? You are not clearly audible, beta.
We can directly head for the hard questions, right?
Yes, yes. Just wait for a few minutes so that other children will join. Okay.
Good evening.
Good evening, beta. May we start, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, children, now see polynomial. So standard equation, standard form of quadratic polynomial is there in your note book is. Okay. Quadratic polynomial is polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is okay. Where a is not equal to 0. Because if value of a will be 0, then it will become linear polynomial. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Because I'm giving you quick revision. That's why I'm doing like
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, yes. Now, next thing is sum of the zeros. The formula for sum of the zeros is minus b by a. Yes, or you can write minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Okay. Then product of the zeros, c by a. So alternate sign will come, in some minus sign will come, and in product of the zero plus. So c by a, then you will write constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Okay, children? Now,
Okay,
next
ma'am.
thing in polynomial chapter, that you have to form a polynomial when sum of the zeros and product of the zeros are given. Okay. Both the topics are very, very important. Sum of the zeros and product. So for your polynomial will be, you will write k times x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros.
How many over here are from Hyderabad? I'm from Hyderabad.
Me.
Which school are you guys from?
APS Nachar. Which school are you from?
Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see x square, and if alpha and beta be the zeros, okay, then sum will be equal to alpha plus beta beta, and product will be alpha into beta. Okay. So your polynomial can be like, you can write like this, k times x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Understood this thing, children?
Once again, can you explain?
Actually, when sum of the zeros and product of the zeros are given, okay, then how you will form a polynomial? Then polynomial will be k times x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the sum. What do you mean by sum? It means addition. So alpha plus beta. Product, it means multiplication. So alpha into beta. Now
Great,
I'm
ma'am. I'll copy
explaining.
that down.
Okay.
Ma'am, so alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a.
Yes, beta. Because this is sum na,
Yes, ma'am.
minus b by a, and this will be equal to c by.
And what is K?
K is just constant.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta Sudhamshu.
this chapter is already done.
Yes, beta. I am giving you quick revision, beta.
Ma'am, if in case there is any fraction, we can put the k value in multiplied fraction, right?
Yes, beta.
Done.
Done?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now see. If I am giving you example of this type of question. If suppose you have given 1 by 4, comma minus 1 by 4. And this 1 by 4 represents sum. And this minus 1 by 4 represent product. Okay. Then form a polynomial. So how you will form this, children, polynomial? So you will write polynomial function of x, k times x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. Right? So k time x square minus, what is your sum here? 1 by 4. So you will write 1 by 4x. And what is product of the 0? Minus 1 by 4. So you will write here minus. Clear? Now you will take the LCM. Take the LCM, beta. So it will be 4. Then here denominator is 1. So you will write 4x square minus x minus. Right? Then k by 4 you can write 4x square minus x minus. So children, till here all have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can take 4 pounds.
Yes. Now you can write when k is equal to 4. You have to take the value of k, which is numerator is given. Okay. So value of k is 1. Then 4. Then 4 by 4 cancel. Then your polynomial will be 4x square minus x minus. This is your answer. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what
beta?
if the questions like if alpha and beta are the zeros of
Yes,
so and
yes.
so equation?
I'm giving you those questions also.
Like find the value of alpha square plus beta square.
Alpha
You just
square
need
plus
to
beta square or 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square, right?
we just need to solve the quadratic equation and just
Yes.
substitute the place, right? Done.
Abhinav, if you have remembered, when we were doing this polynomial chapter, we did
Yes.
all these type of questions. Have you remembered?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I remember.
Yes. Children, may I proceed to question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sumukh, may I proceed? Siddhishri, Sudhamshu, Pranya, Bhavna,
Yes.
Puriya, Kashvi, Abhinav, Aryan, Moksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavna, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, children, if alpha and beta be the zeros of quadratic polynomial, three x square minus 4x plus 1. Then find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So how we will solve this question, children? First of all, you will write your polynomial 3x square minus 4x plus 1. So in these type of questions, your first steps will be like this. Then you will compare this polynomial. Now you will write compare equation 1 with polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. And after that, just write the values of a, b and c. Now here coefficient of x square is a and here coefficient of x square is 3. So therefore value of a will be
3.
3.
B value will be -4 and C will be 1.
Yes. Value of b will be, here coefficient of x is b and here coefficient of x is -4. So you will write value of b is minus. Plus c constant term, here is +1. So value of c will be
1.
So see children, after that, in each and every question, you will find sum of the zeros. So before that, you will write alpha and beta be the zeros. What do you mean by zeros? Means
Roots.
value of x.
Some of the zeros.
Value of x beta, 0. What do you mean by
Yes,
0?
ma'am.
Value of x.
Yes, ma'am.
So sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta is
Yes, ma'am.
equal to minus b by a. So value of b is here -4 divided by
3.
a is 3. So it will be 4 by 3. Understood?
Yes.
Speak children please.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
product
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
zeros.
Alpha and beta.
Yes, c by a. Alpha beta. It will be c by a beta.
Yes.
So value of c is?
1/3.
Yes, c is 1 and a is 3. So 1 by 3. Now children, we have to find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So if fractions are given, you can take the LCM. So denominator, so both denominators are different. So you will
Alpha
take,
plus beta is equal to alpha
yes.
beta.
So cross multiply alpha plus beta. So from this, the value of alpha plus beta is 4 by 3
4 by 3.
and alpha beta is
1 by 3.
1 by 3. So 3
Answer
cancel.
is 4.
So answer will be
4.
understood children?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Please note this. Yes, Sumukh, Sudhanshu, Pranya, Bhavna, Kashvi, Meher,
Can you show
Purna.
the question once?
Yes, beta. Okay. Siddharth, Abhinav,
Yes,
Aryan, have you understood children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavna, have you understood beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And today I will be sharing a worksheet based on this polynomial chapter, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, so without even calculating the value of roots, we can find the sum of their
Yes.
reciprocals.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, why can't we solve the question? Like solve the
If you will
equation?
solve, it's okay. Then it will take so much time, beta.
So can we do that for quadratic?
Yeah,
Done, ma'am.
okay. Your factors will be beta 3 and 1. For solving this by factorization. Done, children. May I proceed to next question?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If question come like this, if alpha and beta be the zeros of the polynomial kx square plus 4x plus 4 such that alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24, then find the value of k. Any idea, children, how we will solve it? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be our first step then?
Find the values of A, B, C.
I have already told you, children, that first of all, your first step will be in each and every question will be that you will compare it with. Okay. So you will compare. After comparing, you will write the values of A, B, and C. So value of A is K. Value of B is 4.
4,
Value of C is
4.
4. Right. Now, next thing is, you will find the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. So, let alpha and beta be the zeros. Okay. So, sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta. It will be equal to minus b by a, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So, value of b is minus, it will be 4 by minus 4 by k. And then product of the zeros. It will be alpha beta, children. So, c by a. So, value of c is 4 and value of a is k. All have understood till here, beta? So, in each and every question of zeros, like if alpha and beta be the zeros, this type of statement is written. Then you have to write the values of a, b, c. Then you will finding the sum of the zeros and then product of the zeros. Okay? After that, see, we have given alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. Okay, let mark this equation be A or 1, what you want. Now next is, we have, see, alpha square it is. Okay, alpha square. And this is alpha plus beta we have minus 4 by k. So we can squaring both sides. So squaring both sides. So alpha plus beta whole square will be equal to minus 4 by k whole square. Got it, children? Why we are doing squaring?
Yes,
Because
Yes,
we
sir.
have given this alpha square and beta square. Now apply the identity. Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta is equal to 16 by k. Right? Now, we have given value of alpha square plus beta square, 24. Plus 2 into alpha beta is given how much? We have 4 by k is equal to 16 by. So 24 plus 4 to the 8 by k is equal to 16 by k square. Now children, you can take the LCM on the left hand side.
yes, ma'am.
So take LCM k, 24k plus 8 is equal to 16 by k. Fine. Now cross multiply. You will get k square into 24k plus 8 is equal to 16k only. Now you will cancel 1k by k square. So 24k square plus 8k will be equal to 60. Right, children? Got it? Divide by 8. Now divide it by 8. So 3k square plus k will be equal to 2. Or you can write 3k square plus k minus 2. Right? Now you can factorize it, split the middle term. 2 3 is 6. So what will be the factors? 3 and 2. So you will write 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Now take 3k common, then k plus 1 and minus 2 common, k plus. So then 3k minus 2 and k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 3k is minus 2 will be equal to 0 and k plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, then value of k will be 2 by 3 and here is minus 1. Okay, this is the answer. So children understood how you will solve this type of questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Siddharth, Moksha, Abhinav, Puriya, Kashvi, Meher, Bhavna, Sudhamshu, Pranya, Sumukh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Note this, beta. This question is quite important.
Can you scroll?
Yes, beta?
Wait,
Can
ma'am.
you scroll?
Yeah.
Wait, ma'am.
Okay, little bit I will scroll. Don't worry. Fine?
Can you just show the equation again, ma'am, once?
Okay. Kx square plus 4x plus 4, beta.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Continue scroll.
Yeah, beta.
Scroll. Please.
Can you scroll down now?
Ma'am, last time this no. Wait,
Yes, beta.
no, ma'am, no.
Done now.
Written, children, all have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Huria, Moksha,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavna,
Yes,
Meher, Siddharth, Sumok, Sudhamshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next question, children, I am giving to you. If alpha and beta, if alpha and beta be the zeros of polynomial 4x square minus 5x minus 1, then find the value of alpha beta square plus alpha square beta. And second part is alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. Will you try, children? Are you able to solve, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, they're both the answers.
Ma'am, even I got answers.
You have got the answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your answer? Sorry.
And first one is -5/4.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got -5/16. First one.
Sorry.
Okay, let me check then.
No, ma'am, -5/16. ma'am.
Okay. So see here, our polynomial is 4x square minus 5x minus 1. Then value of A is 4, value of B is -5, and value of C is -1, right? And then find the sum of the zeros. Then it will be minus B by A, right, beta? So 5/4. And product of the zero will be C by A. So -1/4, right? Now first is, We have to find value of alpha square beta plus alpha square beta. So we can take alpha beta common. Right? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Then minus 1 by 4 and 5 by 4. Then the answer of first part will be minus 5 by 16. Come to second part, beta. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So you will be taking LCM alpha beta. Then cross multiply alpha square plus beta square. So how you will find the value of alpha square plus beta square?
Ma'am, from that alpha, sum of
By
zeros, ma'am.
squaring both sides of alpha plus beta, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So squaring both sides, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta is equal to 25 by 60. Then value of alpha square plus beta square will be 25 by 16 minus 2 alpha beta. So plus 2 upon 4, right beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So take the LCM 16, then 25 plus 8. So 33 by 60. So you will write 33 by 16 divided by value of alpha beta is minus 1 by 4. Then your answer will be 33 by 16 into 4 by minus. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So minus 33 by 4 will be the answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, but so children, now we will meet tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Okay,
you,
okay.
ma'am. Bye,
Bye
ma'am.
bye, beta. Bye, beta. Bye.
Ma'am.